There's some more over here you can get.
It's my song.
It is your song. You're such a big help.
This is stuck.
Okay, I'll get that. I'll get the stuck ones.
Look.
Oh, you got it. Good girl. Just leave the balls on the tree. I'll take care of those.
For those acorns.
Yeah, you can get the acorns off. Put them gently. Good girl. Thank you. She started taking ornaments off the tree. Said Christmas was over, so I'm putting her to work. You being my helper?
Yeah.
You're a great girl.